Titmouses making their nest. Have some babies. Huh? There's a couple right there. One on the top and one clearing out and creating their nest. Keeps taking stuff out of that's already in the house and bringing it up around the back of the house. I'm not sure what he's doing with it. I think he might be stuffing around it to keep it warm, to insulate it maybe. Stuffing, oh sorry. I think he might be stuffing the stuff all around the box. That is so neat. Yep, he's putting it in each corner. That is so cool. Let's see if I can get closer without him getting scared. So neat. Good for you, birdies. I'm glad you're using it. It's so cool. There's that little bastard right there. He better stay away. That's more than eat their eggs. The one climbing down the tree. So cool. There's one up there still building the nest. There you are. Hi. Hi there. He's taking stuff in and out of the nest. I don't know if you're able to see it. He's got stuff hanging out of the hole. Cool. So cool. Alright. I'm just going back out to see just how far up they are. Pretty cool. Gonna have some new baby titmouses around here. Beautiful birds. These birds can climb backwards down the tree. It's so strange watching them. So different. There they are. Good for you guys.